I am Dr. N. J. Krishna Prasad, Associate Professor, Department of Industrial Engineering and Management, Bangalore Institute of Technology. Today, I am going to explain regarding the CAMs. In that, I gave the introduction, then pictorial views to understand the orthographic views of the CAM and follower arrangements, types of followers, and types of CAMs. CAM is a mechanical member used to impart a reciprocating motion to the follower or oscillating motion to the follower. The pictorial view of the CAM and follower arrangement and orthographic view of CAM and follower arrangement is shown in this slide. The CAM, whenever it is rotating either in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, the follower reciprocates in this direction. CAMs are usually manufactured by die casting, milling, or by punch presses. The CAMs are used in the operation of valves in case of internal combustion engines, paper cutting machines, spinning and weaving of textile machineries, feed mechanism of automatic lathe. Here, the pictorial views of different CAM and follower arrangements are shown. The figure A, it shows actually knife edge follower. Figure B, it represents the roller follower. Figure C represents the flat-faced follower, or it is also called mushroom follower. And D, it is a spherical phased follower. And in case of oscillating follower, when the CAM rotates, the follower, it oscillates about the fixed or hinged at this point. And here, this slide represents the pictorial view of radial follower. In the radial follower, the follower is moving in the line of movement of the follower. So this, when the CAM rotates, the follower moves in the direction perpendicular to this. And in the radial CAM, we observed actually it is CAM follower axis and CAM axis are perpendicular. In the cylindrical CAM, when the CAM it rotates, the follower moves in the direction of the CAM axis. Here, in the periphery of the CAM, the groove is made such a way that when the CAM it rotates, the follower it moves parallel to the CAM axis. So this is for understanding of the pictorial view. Usually in the examination, they asked about the types of followers. The followers are classified according to the surface in contact and according to motion of the follower and according to the position of the follower. According to surface in contact, the follower is classified as knife edge follower, roller follower, flat faced or mushroom follower, and spherical faced follower. The example for the follower classification according to the motion of the follower as oscillating follower. According to the position of the follower is classified into radial follower and offset follower. According to the surface in contact, the follower is classified as knife edge follower, roller follower, flat faced or mushroom follower, and spherical faced follower as shown in the orthographic view of the cam and follower arrangement. So knife edge follower, it is simple in construction, but usage is limited as it produces a great wear of the surfaces at the point of contact. The roller follower, in that actually at lower speed, the follower has a pure rolling action, but at higher speed, some sliding also occurs. Because of that, it jams the cam. Hence, it is not preferred. In the mushroom follower, it does not pose the problem of jamming the cam due to misalignment and deflection. The surface stresses and wear are quite high. And in case of flat-faced or flat-faced follower, the problem which poses by the flat-faced follower is not observed. For this, surface stresses and wear are quite low. And according to the motion of the follower, it is classified as oscillating follower. In this, when the cam it rotates either in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, the follower it oscillates about the inject point. It is shown in the figure here. According to the position of the follower, it is classified as radial follower. In the radial follower, the line of movement of the follower passes through the center of rotation of the cam. In the offset follower, the line of movement of the spherical phased follower here is offset from the center of the rotation of the cam. So this much is the offset. This type of arrangement is called as the offset follower. And then we move on to how the cams are classified. The cams are classified into disc or plate cams and cylindrical cams. Here the movement of the wedge that makes X3, the knife edge follower is reciprocates along this direction. Whereas here the wedge we are taken it as a cam, follower it oscillates. This figure it shows for the knife edge and roller follower, in which the cam as a translation motion as shown in figure A and B. The follower can either translate or oscillate. The cylindrical cam, it is a spring-loaded follower. It translates parallel to the axis of the cam during the rotation. Thank you, one and all.